In front of me is Honor 20 Lite, and let me show you how to activate Talkback on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select accessibility features and click on accessibility. And at the top of the list you will notice Talkback. Smoothly click to open, and you can easily activate it by clicking on this indicator. Tap on OK to confirm all needed permissions. And now you can go with this tutorial. I will just volume up Talkback a bit so you can hear everything clearly. But basically all you need to know is written right here. So let me mark it and we will listen to it to know how it works.
When Talkback is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or partially sighted. To navigate using Talkback, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off Talkback, tap the switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK. In list, 5 items.
So, you can mark something. Now you're provided with feedback, then double tap to select it. To scroll, use your 2 fingers, just like this. And if you'd like to switch Talkback off, just mark it, click twice, select Talkback icon, and then turn it off. Tap on OK to confirm, double tap, and that's it. So this is it. This is how you can use Talkback in your Honor 20 Lite. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.